Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see? Yes, manners and respect. Alright, my people, so I got information that there was a shootout between two men in Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica on the 19th of July, the year 2022. Yes, I got information that two men fired shots at each other in Sam Sharp Square, Montego Bay, St. James, Jamaica on the 19th of July, the year 2022. See? Now, according to information that I got, it is said that both men had been injured. And it is said that police sources say that both men are nursing gunshot wounds at hospital. See? So, according to initial reports from eyewitnesses, it is said that both men got in an argument or a confrontation over bad driving. And it is said that the argument or the confrontation escalated to a point where both men started to fire shots at each other. It is said that their injuries might not be life-threatening, and it is believed that those two men who fired shots at each other are licensed firearm holders. Anyways, it is said that the police are doing their investigation when it comes down to this whole situation. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And there are videos circulating on social media that shows some things that happened during this whole incident. See? And based on some things that I saw and heard in those videos, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the shootout between those two men happened out in the public, in the busy street, in traffic, where there are pedestrians and motorists. Now, for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a better understanding about the whole situation, I'm going to present a video to you that shows some things that happened after the shootout between those two men. The video shows some things that happened when police officers arrived at the scene of the incident. The video also shows a large amount of civilians, viewers and subscribers. And before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that the video shows two persons who have been shot and wounded. The video shows blood on at least one of those persons who had been shot and injured. So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Driver, I feel glass. Now road it. So I glass now road. I feel my carrier. You must license for a long way. You know, I must license, man. Say, man, not red side. But see, man, a red shirt, I see, man. See, man. What them get? That's quite a lot. Lights the gun, lights the gun, lights the gun. Yeah. When the man there, someone are bleed. No.
Where I look for money and fiction.
sometimes when these kind of things happen and you listen to some people say certain things in the background of a video and so forth, then really say some things are really make it come like you want to laugh, even though the situation is a serious situation. You hear what the person say about money or expenditure or something. Did you hear? When I was looking at those videos, I really and truly hoped that no one got injured. However, according to information that I got, it is said that both men who fired shots at each other had been wounded and that they are nursing gunshot wounds. See? So I'm just give information according to what I got information, viewers and subscribers. It's really and truly a sad situation. And when it comes down to situations like this, viewers and subscribers, that's why I say I don't like guns. Yeah, man, that's why I say I don't like guns, viewers and subscribers. I tell you the truth. Sometimes, all the times, I wish that guns do not exist. But because of how the human race is set, guns they out. You know what I'm saying? And the thing about it is too, maybe if human beings did not invent guns, then maybe they would invent something that might be even more dangerous as guns, or as dangerous as guns the same way. So may I say, because there are other weapons other than guns. You see, in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, you see, whether or not one or two persons are licensed firearm holder, from one man, say a man pull a gun, and if him have a gun, viewers and subscribers, he might go and draw him gun too. See? And in a film mining goodly, might be a pre or a think that that man is a gunman without any license firearm, or is an illegal gun, and the other man might have pre the same. You see me? Or maybe during the whole situation, no man not pre nothing about no man with no license firearm or nothing. Man just say, oh, me see gun, and start take off in gun. These are the reasons why I do not like guns. So me ask some people. Now here's one thing that me know quite a number of people might be wondering and thinking about. If any of those persons who was involved in the shootout got arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. Well, I did not get any confirmed information if any of those two persons who was involved in the shootout get arrested. No, I did not get any confirmed information if any of those persons got arrested, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See? Yeah, because I do my research, I try to find out what really and truly happened, but me no get no confirmed information if any of those persons got arrested. And I'm talking about those persons who was involved in the shootout. You see? There are more information out there about the whole situation where it said that two men fired shots at each other, viewers and subscribers. There's somewhat of information about their identities, is what I'm saying to you. And there's also information about their age, is what I'm saying to you. But when it comes down to the information about their age, in my point of view, I don't think that information that I got is confirmed information. But based on comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that you have persons who talk about those persons, about their age and about the situation as well. So may I say, I also got the understanding that one person is older than the other person, and it seems as if the age difference is something that some persons on social media talk about. Is what I say, viewers and subscribers. And you know, a lot of persons on social media talk about the whole incident based on that the police arrived and the whole license firearm thing that had been mentioned and so forth, viewers and subscribers. So there are more information, but you can check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comment so let you know what I know. But anyways, now me is the kind of person of viewers and subscribers, I believe in confirmed information. Like if the police within the country of Jamaica say certain things, or if someone who is an eyewitness or was at the location who can give credible information about a situation, yeah, those kind of information I respect and will work with when it comes down to doing my videos. You understand? But you know, sometimes when you look and listen to certain videos, you can get a little understanding about a situation. You see me I say, because if you look and listen to that video that I just presented to you carefully, you might get somewhat of an understanding about this whole situation where it said that there was a shootout between two men. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And even though you might listen and hear certain things in this video, I'm only saying that you can get somewhat of an understanding, but I would not advise you to take that understanding or some things that you hear people say in a video or in this video as confirmed information. You understand? But you still can get somewhat of an understanding by some things that you look and see in the video, and also think for yourself as well too. See? But if you want to know what really and truly happened, try and get confirmed information. That's why you can link me Dancehall Skilla. You see? Anyways, I ask me if it's still. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about the things that I talk about in this video. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.